Good morning, DXN. My name is Marcell Czérna from Hungary. I'm 29 years old and one of the young DXN leaders here in Europe. I'm a senior star diamond now. I'm living here in Budapest and I'm working as a basketball coach. You know, my journey with DXN has started 15 years ago when my parents joined DXN, and at the time of my life I was like 13, 14 years old, so I didn't know anything about DXN, but I realized that my parents are living their best life. They have enough free time, they have enough money to enjoy their life, and that was very good for me to see them how they succeed. And you know, when I was learning, when I was studying in the university, I just realized that I want to live the same life like them. I want to be free, I want to have enough money to enjoy my life, I want to travel a lot. So I decided that I will build up my own DXN business. Next to my studies, I started to build up my own DXN social campaigns, my own websites, my own web shops. I started to work my own way in DXN, and I realized so quickly that I can be successful in this business as they succeed. It was an easy choice for me to choose DXN for my first business in my life. I succeed in DXN. You know, when I finished my studies, I already had a well-working network here in Europe. I had enough money and I have enough time to develop my business. So I started to organize so many events, and these events became so successful, and I realized that for me DXN can be a very big opportunity to reach my dreams, reach my goals. So you know, thanks to DXN, in the last 10-12 years, I was traveling a lot. I was many times in Dubai, I was many times in Asia, Malaysia, Singapore, all around the world, all around Europe. I had chance to see the world, to see other cultures, to see other countries where DXN are working very well. So that was a good experience for me. That was very impressive for me. At that point, I just realized that DXN for me as well can be global, can be big. So I don't have to satisfy what I have now, because the world is opening for me with DXN. So you know, before DXN my life was a bit different. You know, okay, I was so young, I was still studying in the secondary school and after in the university, and I planned much different things before DXN than after that I joined DXN. You know, before DXN I was planning to have a job that is paying well, maybe 1 time, 2 times in a year I can go for traveling, but I planned much different thing before I know DXN. After I joined DXN and after I saw how my family is living their life thanks to DXN, I just realized that what I planned before, it's nothing. So after joining DXN, after I succeed with DXN, I just realized that I will have enough money, I will have enough free time, I will have everything to explore the world. After I joined DXN, I just realized that everything I want, everything that are my goals, I can reach it. So for me it was very impressive that I saw that in DXN everything is possible. As I told you before, I'm working as a basketball coach. And last year we did a big official measure with our DXN products. We tested the DXN spirulina and the DXN cordyceps for the basketball players, for professional use athletes. We were giving them for 2 months the spirulina and the cordyceps. For 60 days they were taking 6 capsules of cordyceps and 10 tablets of spirulina, and we did a big measure. We measure their endurance indicators, we measure their regeneration after the sport performance, we measure their lung capacity. So these are indicators that can show how is your performance in basketball, how is your performance in sport. Before the 60 days of period, we did a performance diagnostic test on them, and after the 60 days we did the same performance diagnostic test, and we got amazing results. So it was so impressive for me, and the regeneration has developed as well. So we measured after a stress athlete stress test, we measured the regeneration, 1 minute, 3 minute and 5 minutes of restitution. 7 of the 10 players has developed in this case. The success is waiting for you in this business. I think for youngsters, for anybody in my generation or maybe a younger generation, DXN can be a good opportunity. Today, DXN is one of the best opportunity. I really don't see any other kind of opportunities that can give the same solutions, that can give the same things that DXN can give you, because nowadays it's so important to have so many tools, so many kind of strategies, and here DXN you can work your own way, you can have your own strategy, you can have your own products that you want to promote, you can have your own sources where you want to promote your business or the products. So I think today DXN is the best opportunity to have everything in one.